Hi everybody, I'm Diana and I'm the founder of Wedding Dance Worldwide, and I'm here today to share with you 3 tips on how to make your wedding dance look beautiful. Tip number 1, song choice. Song choice is everything. You want a song that is not too slow and yet it's not too fast. You also want this song to have a good beat. So a good rhythm, something that you can either tap your foot to, snap your fingers to, or clap to. Want to have a solid beat so that you can feel the rhythm when you're moving and when you're swaying back and forth. So if you don't have a choreographed dance, it's totally fine. You can still look great as long as you're moving together. Tip number 2, follow the leader. And the leader would be the male. So we want to follow our partner. There's nothing worse than looking at a couple on the floor and one's going this way, one's going that way, and you're pulling at each other back and forth, and it just, like, you want to cringe. It just doesn't look right. Very awkward. So follow the man. Ladies, I know we usually have better rhythm and better timing, but even with that being said, I want you to follow him. It's just gonna look so much better if you're both flowing together seamlessly, and stay on that rhythm. Tip number 3, you want to have a good dance position. So a good dance position is standing tall, our heads held high, we don't wanna be slunched over. Guys, I don't want to see the hand all the way down there. You know where I'm talking about? And the hands. I don't want to see this. This does not look very good in pictures. So if you're standing up tall and your hands are in the right place, you're going to have a beautiful picture. So we have a wonderful video showing you dance position. We're going to put that link in the description box below. So make sure to check that out so you have great posture, great hand connection, and just enjoy, just have fun. That's the last thing I want to say. Be in the moment, have fun. If you like this video and it helped you out, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you on the dance floor.